Rose, what do you want to say? Do you want to start off this video? Yeah? Do you want to? She wants to. We'll let her. We'll let her start off this video. All right, Rose, start it off for us. Rose, welcome back to my channel. So I do a lot of like essentials and things that I need and stuff on this video, like in stuff on this channel. So I do a lot of stuff to prepare myself for everything and anything that can come my way. And I thought it would be a great idea to do an essentials list for being a YouTuber. So I do in fact get paid by YouTube to create videos. However, it is very, very little, okay? Very little, especially since I'm such a, you know, young, small creator. This is just what I need as essentials for creating and making content. Okay, so here we go. All right, so everything is laid out on the floor here. This is everything that I need as a creator. Okay, let's start off with some of the basics that you need, right? So this is a journal. This is just a regular plain journal. I decked it out with a vision board of the kind of, you know, vision I want to have for myself. So a lot of New York City, a lot of, you know, directors and script writing and things like that. It's very inspiring to me, and on the front of it I have some of that as well that I put on there. And it's really inspiring and encouraging every time I pick it up to write some ideas down in here. But yeah, I have a lot of ideas. I write down a lot of videos. I do, you know, some types of vision boards in there. Anything to get my brain jogging on videos and things to do, I will write it down in this book. Even for jobs, I'll do that as well. So definitely that. And then I have a standard Bic pen. I just love the crystal ones because you get to see how you just drain this pen. I love that. Finishing one of these babies is so satisfying, and I love it. So the Bic crystal pens, something that's really great for the journals. So love that. Let's talk about the glasses. So I have blue light blocking glasses, mostly for the editing. But yeah, I have a little small script, but I mainly use them for blue lights and, you know, protecting my eyes when I edit. Because sometimes, you know, when you're editing, it takes a long time, and so your eyes are staring at a computer for a long amount of time, and, you know, it starts hurting your eyes. So blue light blocking glasses are essential for me to be a YouTuber. It certainly helps. So obviously, as a YouTuber, you need something to film yourself with. So I have a GoPro here and a Canon G7X Mark II. These are what I started on in terms of YouTube, and this is what I still kind of use today, basically. So I use the Canon G7X to travel a lot, mostly because, again, I have so much stuff that I travel with. All of this stuff you see, I'm going to the airport today, so all of the stuff you see, I'm traveling with, and so my bag gets very heavy, and I don't have space for my camera like this to come with me on, you know, a plane ride. So I just simplify it a bit, and I just take these two things because I can get a lot of camera angles off these two things. This I usually mainly do for driving, and like have it posted in my car, and then this is usually just for like the everyday, what's going on, things like that. All right, so these are my two essentials for making videos. These have been here since, this is 2019, this is 2020, so it's a good 6 to 5 years. Both of those cameras are still in my collection, so those are something that I use for content creation. Obviously, I need a card reader, so I have a micro SD card reader for the GoPro, and I have a regular card reader for all of my cameras. And I think this is like a really cheap one. This is like a Logitech one, I believe. But yeah, it's really old. This is actually my mom's, I think, and she gave it to me, or I stole it, one of the two. But yeah, I still have this. This is from I think the very start of it. This is what I used, so I think it's really funny. Moving on to the mouse, I have a Logitech mouse. It takes batteries, AA's, and it has like a little chip as well that plugs into my laptop, which is on this side. So this is the mouse that I use. It's literally just a regular mouse. There's no like thumb ball or anything like that. I hate those mouses. I've tried them in school and I can't get on it. Okay, I like the wrist action. Okay, but yeah, so just a really simple mouse. Honestly, this mouse is kind of going, like, it's very, very old. But yeah, so that's the mouse that I have. This is the laptop that I have. I forget when I got this. I think this might, I don't even know. But this is a gaming PC, so it has a lot of great things in it. It's a Legion computer. Let me see. What do we have here? Legion Y540 laptop. So it's meant for gaming, and it has a really big processor, and mainly I just use it for editing. I do use it for, like, you know, making thumbnails, and I also do my email and stuff on that, but mostly it is for editing, and I edit on DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, that's kind of what I have. I used to have a ThinkPad that I used to edit on, which is right here. Let me play one of my videos for a little advertisement. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, so this is my ThinkPad. It's got the little, you know, red spot here. But yeah, so I used to edit on this. This got really slow, and I try to, you know, clean it off and make space. So now it kind of just does email stuff for me, basically. So I used to have that one, but I upgraded. I wanted a better processor, you know, something that was meant for video editing, kind of, and holding that kind of space. So got a gaming laptop. And then lastly of my essentials is a keyboard. This has helped me so much. Not only does it sound very nice and professional and whatever else, but it's so nice because I have a table set up where my computer sits on a stand. And I can store stuff underneath it, and it makes it nice and clean. Obviously, my desk is not very clean right now, but it helps with editing. It makes it kind of fun. I love the sound. I have ADHD, leave me alone. But it's very nice. It's professional. The dial here for the volume is very nice to use. So having a keyboard is essential to me because it's nice. It keeps me motivated. You know, I'm in it. Oh my God, my cat is having an episode right now. Rose, can you chill? I'm trying to film a video. Okay, Rose? Comment. Okay. These are my YouTube essentials. Yeah, these are literally the basics that you need to start a YouTube. A camera, a laptop, a mouse, and ideas, basically, is what is really important here. My cat is going crazy. I think she just wants to play. Do you want to play, Rose? I don't know. Oh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Those are my YouTube essentials. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Anybody else use anything like this or a similar setup or anything different that I could possibly use or snatch? Let me know. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, subscribe. Everything else is linked in the description below, so go check all that stuff out. Have a great day. Peace out, enjoy live, load up. Bye.